Hello and welcome back to Civil Field Trainers. In today's class, we'll be taking the data from Etabs and exporting it into RCDC software. All right. So basically, what is going to happen is we're going to end up, creating details that look something like this. Let me just open it up a little bit. All right. So basically, you will get 80% to 85% of data from the RCDC. Then you have to come into AutoCAD and then you have to manipulate the data. But to do that, the very first step is to export the data from Etabs to the RCDC software. Okay, so how do we do it? What is the approach for that? That is what we can discuss in this particular class. So that for that, the very first step is you have to run the analysis. Many of them miss this step and they say, okay, they're not able to read the data. That is actually a problem. So first you have to run the analysis. Step one is going to be what? Run the analysis. After you have run the analysis, go to file, go to export, go to Etabs database tables to access. Okay, what is step one? Step one is you have to run the analysis. Okay, you should have a lock over here. You should have run the analysis. Okay, if you want to check the forces, you should be in a position to check the forces like this. All right, this is basically ATAPS 2019. Okay, so you should be able to see all these forces. So first cases you have to run the analysis. Second step is go to file, go to export, and go to ATAPS database tables to access. Second step. Okay, not Excel but access. All right, click on this. After clicking on this, let me just uncheck everything here. So you will get three options. One is model definition, one is analysis results, and third part is design data. You don't need design data, okay, because you'll be designing what our structure in the RCDC completely. We'll be detailing it over there. So just take the analysis. You just need to get the forces from here. Once you have the forces, it will do the calculations on its own. It will give you the results. So what you have to do, you have to just check this, or just close everything like this. Just check the first one, model definition. Everything should be selected. Second is analysis results. So select everything like this. Once you have selected, make sure you have selected all the cases from here, and you have selected all the combinations from here. So once you have selected all of it, again select load patterns also. You have select all the load patterns here, not just one or two. Just select all the load patterns. Let me just think. Okay, all right. Select everything and then click on OK. Then you have to change this to what? Change this to meters. Force will be in what? Kilonewton, because I'm working with IS codes. Temperature will be Celsius. Meters, kilonewton, and Celsius. All right. Then click on OK. It'll open up. I'll say 1 2 3. I'll just save the file over here, and you can see here all the forces are being converted from etabs to the other file, which we can import into the RCDC. In the meanwhile, let me do a simple announcement here. Okay, our course ETABS TF and RCDC, you will be getting this course for 1,499 rupees. But if you apply the coupon code here, okay, it expires in 2 days. If you apply this coupon code, you will get how much? You will get this entire course for 1,099 rupees. Okay, in this you'll find all of the information, because see, learning only ETABS is not sufficient. Learning only safe is not sufficient. You should know the entire process. All right, so we have got ETABS and safe and everything. We have got even RCDC here, RCDC secretary training course, and you can see we have worked with all of it. Like if you, this is Hindi part, English also it's available. So column report is there, column result manipulation, again this is very important. So how to do all of this? We have a complete 3 to 4 hours of class. I remember many examples and all are given in this. All right, so from columns to beams to slabs, everything is covered in this. Even the footing part is covered in this. One more thing is, currently recently we have added some more content over here. Okay, this is again something new that we have added here. As and when we keep on adding the courses and the material and everything, we're going to keep on increasing the prices. So if you want to get in, you should get in right now. When you get the price of 400 rupees off, and this comes for 1009, three courses will be given to you: ETAP, SAFE and RCTC. Okay, so coming back to the topic at hand, yeah, now it is ready. You can see here it is ready now. Now what I have to do, I have to open up my RCTC version here. I just come over here, click it over here, and see, you should remember where the file path is, where you have saved. I remember my file path, so I have come over here. If you have saved on desktop, you should go to desktop. Then this is a 123 file that we have created. Click on open, and in this you can click on column and wall, because that's what I want to import for now. Then click on create project. The moment you do that, the entire drawings will come to you. Okay, in this class we're only dealing with what? Importing the data from etabs to RCDC. Okay, in the next class, if you want, if you get enough a number of comments, I'll create a class on how to import beam data also, how to create slab detailing also in RCDC. Or I can take a small G+1 or G+2 structure and I can work with that. Whatever it is, you should let me know in the comment section. I can create the same video for you. All right, so that's all for this class. Thank you.